In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy on StockX. I'll be doing this on the StockX website, however you can do this on the StockX app as well. So use whichever device you find easier. So the first step is to head over to StockX and just make sure you are logged into your account. And if you don't yet have one, just go ahead and sign up. From there, you can either browse the website to find an item that you want, or you can search for a specific item in the search bar. Once you've found an item, you have two ways of buying it. You can either place a bid, or you can buy it outright. If you place a bid, you can choose between these pricing options, or you can choose a custom price. This can be good if you're not happy with the current ask price, and you can basically just name your own price so that you don't overpay. Or if you found an item and you're happy with the price, let's just say you are happy to pay $203, you can simply just click on this, and from there you just need to add a payment method and some shipping info, and once you have successfully paid, you will then get it after a few days. So that's how you can buy on StockX. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.